Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Tracking Tuts YT. Today I'm bringing you a brand new Spider-Man video, and today we're going to be getting a Spider-Man mod manager. So first step you're gonna want to do is go to the link in the description and open that up in your browser. And that's going to take you to Nexus mods. This is where you're going to get all of your mods for Spider-Man as well. So instead of asking you to make an account, if you don't already have one, just make one. But after you do that, click here, download manual, and then you just want to click slow download, unless you buy premium. But it's crazy. Instead of say it's not commonly downloaded, it may be dangerous, but it's an OK file. So you just want to keep anyway. Open that up, and you just want to extract it. Make sure you have 7-zip or WinRAR. And so when you open it up, you can do this on your desktop, but I'm gonna do this in this Spider-Man mods folder. And so now it's extracted and ready. So what you're gonna want to do is open that up. You're gonna want to select your asset archive folder for Spider-Man. So you're gonna want to find your Spider-Man folder. So mine is in here, and that is asset archive right here. And then you just want to hit save, and instead of say set, and then you're good from there. So it'll open up, and that's how you download the mod manager. So I'll have more videos on how to work with it and all of that, but yeah, pretty easy, and have a good one.